Hello my friends, hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. It's day 24 and this is what we're doing today. Today's gonna be another one of those big projects. It's really simple to do. I've been looking forward to it. We're taking these ugly beds and this blank area in front of the garage, this area over here, and we're gonna start getting all this mulch in place. We have a whole load of railroad ties, and we're gonna start lining out the whole driveway and finishing these beds, squaring it off. And this is 23 tons of stone. Dad has the tractor rolling. We're gonna start leveling this out, and we're gonna get this driveway taken care of. This is kind of the plan here, making a bed for all these trees. This is gonna get fresh mulch, just like what's over there. However, we did notice there's a bit of a swell right here leading right up to these ties. And we don't want all that runoff coming down here right in the middle of the driveway. So we've got the box blade ready. We're gonna roll these ties back, get the blade in there, level this down a little bit more, and then we'll put them back, and that should be pretty good. I just want to footnote that yesterday and today, out here with the tractor and the rake doing this work, these days are the reason people live in the Southwest. It is January, it is calm, it's 55 degrees, warm sun, cool air. It has been the most glorious couple of days this weekend doing this project with Dad. We have finished up the stone. We are now gonna pull a little bit of mulch, so Dad's gonna get a couple bucketfuls. I'm gonna spread that around. We're gonna dress up the beds, and then I wanna show you guys the after shot, and this is really, really cool. I think that's gonna do it for the past 2 days project. We got all of the railroad ties in, got the whole driveway shaped out. We had the stone delivered, graded that all into place, and what you saw me finishing up with was just dressing up the beds with some fresh mulch. So here's a little bit of the before again. and here is the after. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. Please like the video if you liked it. Click that thumbs up button. Please subscribe if you would like my new videos to pop up on your recommended feed. As always, I'll see you next time.